RAD Studio 13 has recently been released, and Deleaker already supports it. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use Deleaker to locate leaks in RAD Studio 13. Run the Deleaker installer and make sure a RAD Studio 13 is selected. Now run RAD Studio, create a simple application that intentionally leaks, and see how Deleaker detects the leaks. Once Deleaker is installed, it's added to the main menu of RAD Studio, where you can open the Deleaker window, the Options window, and enable or disable Deleaker. Let's drop a button on the form and add an intentional leak in the on-click handler. Now let's build the project and start debugging. Deleaker works together with the debugger, collecting information about all allocations and deallocations. Let's click the button several times. Then let's close the application and let Deleaker take a snapshot, which will contain the allocations that were not freed. Deleaker has taken the snapshot, and you can see it successfully found the leak we added earlier. Its hit count is 3, which means the memory was allocated 3 times at the same place in the code. You can double-click an allocation or use the context menu to navigate directly to the source code in the editor. Okay, now let's create an object in the code. Let's start debugging again. Click the button several times, and then check the snapshot created by Deleaker. Switch to Delphi objects, and you can see the instances that were created but not freed. In our case, it's a TS string list. Deleaker detects memory, GDI, and handle leaks in both Delphi and C Builder applications. Deleaker provides information about a leak's size, type, and call stack, and for objects it also shows their class type. Deleaker works both as an extension in RAD Studio and as a standalone tool, allowing you to detect leaks outside the IDE. Get your 14-day trial of Deleaker. Link below the video.